Today we are going to be working on a Toro Multi Pro 5600. This video will serve sort of for some other machines. It's a common problem where you have a machine that has a large throttle stick that you push down, or a small throttle stick, and the throttle stick starts creeping back up. So you find yourself driving around holding the stick forward because it wants to slide back up. So with this particular model, the Toro Multi Pro 5600, let me show you where the throttle stick is at on this. So on this one, it's in the center console. So that would be your idle. And when you are full throttle, the vibration from the machine starts allowing this to creep back up, and you find yourself driving and holding this down. Now, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now, to take this console off on here, it's actually a pretty easy task. First thing you want to do, remove this little handle here, and just screws right off like that. And then down here, you got a little lock. Flip it up, unscrew that. All right, that's out. Now, this should be tucked under here, I'm pretty sure. You can pull up, and that'll untuck. Now you can slide this whole unit up and out. See the handle here? Well, what holds that on, there's a bolt on the side of the seat here. But if we look around, let's see, down there, there is a nut way down there. That's what holds it on. So normally, just by tightening that up, we will be able to prevent that from sliding back when it vibrates. So you're gonna need a hold back right there and another wrench to get on that nut down there. That's a 3/4, so you want to get one on there. I'm not gonna be able to do this with two hands. And then I'm gonna put a wrench on the one on the side of the seat, and we're just going to tighten that up. Alright, that's it. We tightened it up. So now you'll definitely feel the difference. It's a little bit harder to pull down on this, but it's going to prevent that from vibrating back. So that's it. Easy fix. And that works on most machines too, that just have small levers. It's usually just the bolt that's holding your throttle lever on. It just needs to be tightened up. That's it. Hope this helps. See you next time.